Planning a move to Tanzania? Whether it's for work, retirement, or a fresh start, an international move demands strategy. Here are 5 crucial, non-redundant tips to ensure your move is smooth, cost-effective, and legally compliant. If you're shipping most of your household items, a full container load, FCL, is usually more economical. Expect around $795 for 20 feet or $855 for 40 feet. Shipping only a few items, less than container, LCL, is priced per cubic meter, about $79 for each CBM, plus additional charges for personal or household goods. Once your shipment leaves port, delivery to Dar es Salaam or Arusha typically takes 5 to 8 weeks, including handling, inland transport, and customs clearance. Build this delay into your relocation timeline. Tanzanian customs require precise documentation, a detailed packing list in English, bill of lading, passport, residence or work permit, and, for diplomats or NGOs, specialized certificates. Missing any of these can delay your shipment or incur duties. Tanzania uses CIF valuation for duties. These are calculated based on your item's value plus shipping costs. While used household goods and personal effects can be duty-free if documented properly, new items may face up to 18% VAT plus category-specific duties. Budget smartly for potential charges. Shipping overseas means risk. Opt for full-value shipping insurance for peace of mind. Keep a digital record of your shipments every step, from loading to arrival, to protect against misplacement, damage, or delays. If Tanzania is next on your journey, these 5 insider tips ensure your move is organized, documented, and secure. From smart packing to legal clearances, you've got this. Enjoyed this guide? Hit like, subscribe for more international relocation insights, and let me know your biggest question about moving to Tanzania. I'm here to help.